Hello, hi everyone. This is Arvind Mota, and in this video, we're going to look at the trade setup for the third week of August 2020. Okay, so I'm in the daily chart of Nifty, and as you can see, Nifty has been consolidating for the last 2 to 3 weeks, right? Between the range of 11,000 to 11,350. That is the range. In fact, I made a video about 2 weeks back and saying that Nifty will be in a range bound movement, and that is playing out. But obviously, I didn't expect this to continue for so long. So still, we are in the same range for the last, right from 20th of July till the 14th of August. This is playing out. Right now, one good observation which we can arrive at is every time Nifty has been testing the 20-day moving average, right from the 12th of June, that is at 9,500. From there, you can see Nifty has been bouncing off from this line. Okay, 20-day moving average, and you can see every time it tested that range, it's giving a bounce. Right, it's continuing till even here 10,500. And again it tested the 10,890 levels, and from there it bounced. Right now currently it's at 11,170. In fact, it was testing lower levels of 11,000. Low point was 11,114 in that range. That was the Friday's low. Right now it is closed above the 20-day moving average, which is a good sign. Okay, which means there is a very good chance of Nifty bouncing back from here, going by the previous historical patterns. You can see here, right from here, Nifty gave a 200-point rally. Right, so that could be possible, which means we can bounce from here and again retest the previous high of 11,360 range. Right, and if see a breakout above that, we will test higher levels. As of now, the fall has been arrested. The fall that we saw in the last the second half of Friday, you can see here almost 200-point drop. Right, from there we kind of recovered. Okay, it actually went outside the bottom of the band, and that itself was an indicator that we're going to see some kind of recovery, and that what happened. Right, and a close near 11,200 is a good sign, and that says the bulls may start to recover. Now there's no point trying to short this market. Again, a lot of people are trying to predict that we will see another 300, 400, 500-point decline in Nifty. I think it's too early to decide that kind of a pattern. There is clearly no sign of a downtrend. There is no sign of a reversal. It is the clear fact that we are still in a bull market. So let's not forget that. Only if we breach the 200-day moving average, that's when that is coming around 10,860 range. You can see here. Only when we touch that, Nifty will form a double top. You can see here this whole pattern will be completed on a double top, and once we breach this on the downside, that's when we will go into further downfall. Right, so till then we can stay long, so we can continue with the buy on dips approach as long as we don't breach the 200-day moving average. Right, so a lot of people are already predicting the market's going to crash and this is a double top. So maybe they're not aware of the candlestick patterns, or I don't know what basis they are saying that. So clearly there is no sign of a breakdown. So if you're trying to short this market, just be cautious, because there is clearly no sign of a breakdown as of now. That may happen, may not happen, we're not sure. So let price action confirm that. If we go below 10,860, 850 range, that's when we will go and test even 10,500, 600 is possible. But it's too early to preempt any of that. So if you want to, either you can stay long or you can stay out of the market, wait for the clear breakout to happen about 10,360, then you can again go long. As of now, it is good to stay away and let the market confirm either direction. It may, if it turns weak, it may even come and test 10,900 levels. That may happen, say in the next 1 or 2 days. But still, maximum level that we can watch on the downside is 10,860. Till then also, if it falls here also, we can expect market to bounce back. Right, so that's about Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, you can see Bank Nifty also had a big, in fact Bank Nifty's fall was what caused Nifty to kind of fall about 200 points. And again, Bank Nifty also, you can see the 15 minutes chart, there was some kind of recovery and it's holding support at 21,500, which is the low point of the day, almost around that range. So 21,500 is the support, major support, is coming at 21,000. So as long as the back Nifty is staying about 20,900 to 21,000, I think the back Nifty can recover from their levels and even retest 22,000 or even above, right? So we can still stay long, and with the buy on dips approach, this is a very major support for Bank Nifty, right? Now coming to the global markets, you can see global markets turned flat. There was not much of a fall or big rally. Dow Jones actually closed positive. S&P and Nasdaq were on the borderline negative. Europe actually closed negative. In fact, Europe markets were negative when the market opened on Friday, and that kind of triggered a fall on our markets. And because of the stalemate in US stimulus packages, it's not coming through, and all these negative factors were priced in. So all these factors are priced in, so I don't see any kind of follow through on the downside unless we see any more bad news. That could come in the form of AGR verdict on Monday, which is expected, and with Reliance also coming into the picture. So if Reliance starts to go down, that may drag the Nifty down. So like looking at the Reliance chart itself, let's see what's going on. Obviously there's not much momentum. It is holding support at 20-day moving average, which is at 2100. That is where the major support is coming in. So there is a good chance Reliance may consolidate, or it may even pull back and go further, and it's got a very strong resistance zone at 2180 to 2190. So as long as it's staying about 2100, I think we can expect Reliance to pull back, and once it's going about 2190, we can expect further breakout on Reliance. So we can stay like a buy on dips approach, but if it's going to breach the support of 2090 levels, it may give another 40-50 point decline, and that may bring the index down. So just be cautious on Reliance, and let's see how the market is reacting to the verdict on Monday. So coming to the FII data, obviously FIIs have been buying. That is one good factor. Right through the August, first 2 weeks of August, they have been buying in cash, and also if you look at F&O index, they are still long, and only in stock futures they are kind of short, and again the volumes are kind of pretty low. So we can definitely expect, if at all FIIs are going to stay long, I don't see any reason why the market should correct from here. And also one more factor to consider is the India VIX. India VIX actually stayed below 20 on Friday after many months. You can see here it touched almost 16 to 17 range on the low point. That is a good sign, and as long as it's staying around 20 to 21, I think we can expect the market will not fall, or probably it will not move much on either side. So as per this, if India VIX is low, I think it will be a comforting factor for bulls, and there may even be a chance of further recovery and rally in Nifty, right? Now coming to the sectoral performance on Friday, as you can see, metal and pharma were the only sectors which closed positive. All the other sectors were negative. So trying to identify trading opportunities, if at all it continues here. So as per the sectoral indices, if at all this continues on metals and also pharma. In metals, as you can see, JSW Steel is actually closed near the high point of the day, and that may continue. Looking at the chart, it is given a wonderful breakout, and very strong rally is continuing, and that may even test 275 to 280 levels. That is possible. It may continue. This gap may get filled up to 280 levels. Right now, coming to other stocks in metals, I think Tata Steel already gave a good rally, and Hindalco may also even test 195 to 200. So we can stay long on all the metal stocks. And coming to pharma, you can see pharma also gave a good rally on Friday, and one of the stocks is Lupin, which is closed near the high point of the day. Now coming to Lupin's chart, you can see it's formed a very good bullish pattern with good volume on Friday, very good volume, and it's crossed the 200-day moving average, which means there's a lot of upside left in Lupin. And the weekly chart itself, you can see it may even test 1050 level. 1060 is also possible, so we can stay long in Lupin. And coming to other pharma sector stocks, I think Sun Pharma also can give a further rally. 550, 560 is possible. And also same thing with Cipla and Cadillac, we can look at buying opportunities. Now coming to other stocks, even Coal India gave a good breakout on Friday. You can see a good volume, and it is holding support at a 20-day moving average at 130. So there's a good chance of it testing 138 to 140 levels. We can stay long in Coal India. And one more stock is the Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance also has given good recovery from support levels. You can see it's holding support at 1170 range, and is reacting well from the support. No target for it. You can expect 1265, or on the upside it can also test 1300 levels. So we can stay long in Muthoot Finance, given a very good recovery from holding support at the Bollinger Band. Also, as per price action, we can expect recovery. So Lupin, Muthoot Finance, JSW Steel and Coal India, these are the stocks which we have in our watch list, and we can expect further upside. So that's about the index and also trading opportunities for Monday. So I hope you liked the video. Please share this video with your friends if you liked it, and also whatever opinion and views I've shared is my personal view as per my analysis. So I strongly encourage you to do your own research or consult your financial advisor if you're taking any position as per this observation. So many thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.